Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. How to
If
transform
you're a
your
huge
Windows
fan of
desktop
Genshin
into an
Impact and
epic
especially
Raiden
Raiden
Shogun,
then you're in for a treat.
Let's
today.
dive right in.
We're going to
How to
transform
transform your Windows
desktop
into
an
epic
stunning Raiden
Shogun
themed
setup.
So
let's
get
dive
started.
right in. First, we need to gather all the necessary files, which are a wallpaper, a high-resolution Raiden Shogun wallpaper, a desktop customization tool, that is Rainmeter, and Raiden Shogun specific skin and widgets, and a set of custom icons for your desktop. Once you have all the files downloaded, let's start by setting up the wallpaper. Right click on your desktop, then click on Personalize. Now click on Background and then on Browse to locate your downloaded Raiden Shogun wallpaper. Select the wallpaper and set it as a background. Next, we'll install Rainmeter, which will allow us to add some really cool widgets to your desktop. Now go to your web browser and install Rainmeter. Then after you've installed the Rainmeter, open the Rainmeter installer you downloaded, and after you've installed it, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, Rainmeter will launch automatically. Now, let's add some Raiden Shogun themed skins to Rainmeter. Locate the Rainmeter skins you downloaded. Extract the files if they are in a zip folder. Move the extracted folders to Documents, then go to Rainmeter, then on Skins. Right click on the Rainmeter icon in your system tray and select Refresh All. Open the Rainmeter Manager, navigate to the skins and load your favorite widgets. To complete the loop, customize your desktop icons. Right click on any desktop icon and select Properties. Now click on the Change Icon button. Browse to the folder where you saved your Raiden Shogun icon pack. Select your desired icon and click OK, then apply. Repeat this process for all the icons you want to change. And there you have it, your Raiden Shogun themed desktop setup is complete. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.